Hey guys, welcome back to the Perryville YouTube channel. Again, I have one more amazing Home Depot deal for you. This time it's the Milwaukee M18 angle grinder. It's the fuel angle grinder. It's coming with a free 5 amp hour battery and charger, currently selling for $159. Back in September, I posted a similar deal that came with just the battery, not the charger, and it was $179. So the angle grinder, battery, and charger, $159. If we look at some comparables, tool only on the angle grinder at Tool Nut, $199. Northern Tool, $199. Acme Tools, $199. So $40 cheaper, plus the free 5 and charger. That's an amazing deal, my friends. Link is down below. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a new subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.